Hello viewers, let's continue our series LeetCode 75 in which we have solved 8 questions out of 75 and now we have to solve 9th question which is string compression. Okay, so in this question there is given a vector of character types in which a character given and you just have to compress the characters. Okay, so let's suppose here is given example. You have to write a comma, there is a b b c c c, so you have to write the first, you have to write the character, and secondly you have to write the number of time it occurs. Okay, so here is a, how many times it occurs? 2 times, so you just have to write 2. After this you have to write the b, and how many times it occurs? 2 times, so you have to write the 2. There is 3, there is c, how many times it occurs? 3, so you just have to write this. First you have to write the character, and secondly you have to write the number of time it occurs, and then you have to return the size 1 2 3 4 5 6, which is 6. Okay, for 1 it only occur one time, so you just have to return 1. Suppose there is given an example. First you have to write the character and the number of time it occurs. Secondly you have to write b, and how many times it occurs? 2 times. Then c, how many times it occurs? 3 times. Okay, so you just have to write the occurrence, and after this you just have to return 6. In the same way, here is a which is occurring 10 times, so you have to write a10 and b, and then b. For 1 you don't have to write. For this you have to write the 10 separately. Okay, so it will give a comma 1 comma 0 comma b. You have to return the 4, which is the size of this. Okay, so I hope you understand the logic behind this. So let's do this. First I will create int index, which is 0, initially at 0th position. Int I equals to 0, int n equals to chars dot size while I less than n, character current char equals to char of I. You just have to check it's a chars. Okay, and then int count equals to 0. Again check while I less than n, and then chars of I is equals to current char. You have to do count plus plus comma I plus plus. Okay, after this you just have to do chars of index. Chars of index equals to current char here is also char. Current char, and then you just have to do index plus plus. You have to check if count is greater than 1, then you just have to do string count 2 equals to, you have to convert it to string function. Okay, and then traverse for auto ch comma count 2 chars of index equals to ch and then index plus plus. Okay, and after this you just have to return index. So I hope this code works fine. Let's run this code. Current char current char. Yeah, I hope this code works fine now. To string function small s. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this code works fine. Thanks for watching.